Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your birth date on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account and then go to menu option on the top right corner of your screen. Here you just simply scroll down and select setting and privacy, and in this section you just simply click on settings, and here you see the privacy checkup option, so simply click on that and then click on who can see what you share and then click on continue. And here you see the birthday option, so in front of your birthday it's an option of friends, so simply click on that and then select only me, and once again click on that and then click on only me, and now you will be able to hide your birth date on Facebook. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.